Today we're making Japanese dorayaki pancakes. If you've never had these, you are in for a treat, guys. I'm going to show you today how to make the actual pancake batter, which is slightly different than your typical pancake batter, and you'll see why. These pancakes are so fluffy and delicious, and you can sandwich these with whatever filling you like.
So the best and fastest way to make this particular pancake batter, in my opinion, is to just use a blender or a food processor. If you don't have one or you just want to use a basic spatula, that's fine as well. To the food processor, you're going to add the flour, leavening agents, and the sugar. This recipe has a bit more sugar than regular pancake batter because we want a dark browning on the pancakes. Give these ingredients a quick pulse, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. I post new videos every week. At this point, you can add the wet ingredients, so the buttermilk, egg, and oil, and again, mix until combined. If you're using a food processor like I am, this is going to take anywhere between 10 to 15 seconds. Do not over mix. The pancake batter should be smooth and runny. That's perfect. That's how you want it to be. I personally like to transfer this into a glass measuring cup just so it's easier to pour out and form my pancakes. Your flame should be on medium. You're going to pour the pancake batter onto a lightly greased nonstick pan, guys. I always get asked what brand of pan I use, and unfortunately I don't remember. However, any nonstick pan works great. Wait for the bubbles to form and pop just like regular pancakes. Check the bottom, and if it's a beautiful dark brown, we're ready to flip. Cook the pancakes on the other side for another 15 to 20 seconds. Try to make the pancakes roughly all the same size because we will sandwich these together. Now, these are delicious, assembled and eaten both warm or cold. I personally prefer to eat these straight away though. Now, traditionally, these are filled with red bean paste. However, recently, there's been more variety in the fillings, such as cream fillings, jams. I went with chocolate spread. But to be completely honest, these are so delicious even on their own. They're incredibly soft. The extra sugar gives this beautiful browning without having to overcook the pancakes. And we all know that browning means lots of delicious and extra flavor. Whether you fill these or not, this is definitely a pancake recipe you need to try.